Welcome to the city of Coatesville, in the heart of historic, beautiful Chester County. Although this is a very affluent county, Coatesville is like many cities and towns across Pennsylvania. It's struggling to overcome years of neglect, now made worse by the tough economy. But there are also signs of hope. People who share a common belief that children deserve to grow up in communities where everyone works together to help them thrive are joining with the foundation to help the Coatesville area succeed. Through the Brandywine Health Foundation, generous donors and committed volunteers have helped give over $7 million in grants to nonprofits improving health in this area. But we've done more than simply give out grants. We've gone beyond with 3 groundbreaking initiatives. First, we know that good health depends on access to quality primary care. That's why we've brought a health center, Chespen Health Services, to Coatesville and helped get a dental center, Community Dental, started. We've worked with the Coatesville Area School District and the County Department of Mental Health to bring a highly regarded counseling service to the area, Child Guidance Resource Centers. Now we have a health and dental center, beautiful offices and meeting space, and affordable apartments for senior citizens right on the main street in the heart of Coatesville.
We're appreciative of the foundation and the Brandywine Center and its construction right here in the center of town. It has been an exciting time for us to watch the organization and the building grow and flourish. It has drawn the community closer together. They have been a consistent theme of positive work here in the community, and I'm excited that they're here, and we are looking forward to some greater things from them in the future.
We're here at the Brandywine Health Center today, and we're so proud all over of the Health Foundation and things that have been done in this facility. And you had such an integral part in making this facility. Can you explain some of the background on it?
It was a very complicated project. The Pennsylvania Housing Finance Agency had never worked with the U.S. Department of Agriculture. They'd always wanted to work together on a project, but this project was the first in the state, and it gave them the opportunity to do it. Now, Ted, I know you've been involved in this city for a long time. You've put so much of your heart and soul into making Coatesville the city that you want it to be. What does this building, this particular project, mean to you?
It means the beginning, hopefully, of total revitalization throughout this region for Coatesville. This building is the biggest undertaking in probably the last 2 or 3 decades for the city of Coatesville.
The Brandywine Center accomplishes many goals at the same time. Not only are important health services provided here, but there's affordable housing for senior citizens. And it's the first major development in the city of Coatesville, not only bringing jobs here, but also bringing visitors, people to patronize the area's businesses.
We offer adult and pediatric medical care, including well child care, immunizations, physical exams, STD and HIV testing, specialty referrals, prenatal services, and we also have after-hour on-call staff.
I've been in this lovely new health center since it opened, and I provide prenatal care for the women in the community here in Coatesville. The center has been especially nice for my patients who actually mainly walk here for their appointments. They really appreciate the ambiance, the fact that it's new, that it's beautiful, that there are reading materials for their children when they come here. These are all little things that mean a lot to my patients.
The McNeil Children's Library is located in the waiting area of the health clinic and maintained by the Freedom Village Outreach Committee. And the best part is the children get to keep the books.
Welcome to our new facility at the Brandywine Center. We have 6 operatories here, and you're looking at one of the new operatories that we received that we rent here at the Brandywine Center. Let me tell you a little bit about community dental. We see about 30 patients a day, 4 days a week. So that's about 115, 120 patients a week. About 90%, 88% of our patients are under 200% of the poverty level. 2/3 of our patients use Medicaid type insurances, which are the insurances for people who don't have access to other kinds of insurance. And that's part of how we fulfill our mission of making dental care accessible and affordable to people who would not otherwise have access to dental care.
But we're not stopping there either. We know that the overall health of young people depends on more than getting regular medical care. Yes, that's essential. But children need to grow up in communities where they can safely explore all of their academic, social, and extracurricular talents. So stay tuned to learn more about the new Coatesville Youth Initiative as well.
With the Brandywine Health Foundation and this Coatesville Youth Development Initiative, I've gotten an opportunity to meet my neighbors. I've gotten an opportunity to become acquainted with many of the organizations who are here in the community. I consider myself a resource at this point, being able to share with my neighbors now where the programs are and where they can send their kids, and being able to help the people who are here in this community find out just where all of the resources are, where the assets are here.
And this process with the Brandywine Health Foundation this year made the Art Partner Studio, for one, feel more a part of the actual community that is really trying to make change in Coatesville.
We are pleased to partner with youth development from Brandywine Health Foundation, recognizing that they have led the way in the city for not only statistical data that makes application even easier, but what will eventually become the kinds of programs and processes within the community that will lead the charge for the revitalization not only of the city, but our youth in general.
All three of these initiatives, bringing health services to Coatesville, building them a permanent home, and launching an initiative to help young people, depend on the community coming together. If we're going to tackle our society's toughest problems, we need the best ideas bubbling up. And that can't happen without opportunities for good people to come together to create positive change. That's where the Brandywine Health Foundation plays a pivotal role. Whether you live in the city of Coatesville or in the Coatesville Area School District, or you simply care that every child has a chance to grow up as a healthy, productive member of society, we urge you to join with us. None of these good works can happen without the community's financial support and volunteer commitment to the Brandywine Center, the Strawberry Festival, the Brandywine Consignment Shop on Route 113 run by volunteers, or one of the many other ways that you can contribute to the success of this community through the Brandywine Health Foundation. Just visit us on the web at www.brandywinefoundation.org. But come see the Brandywine Center first. I think you'll agree it's a major step forward for Coatesville, and only the first in what we know is going to be a bright future for this community with your help. Thanks so much for caring, and thanks so much for listening.